Hey guys, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will show you the items method, which is helpful in doing the data processing when you are iterating over the dictionary. So in this video I basically want to show you the output of the items method when applied to the dictionary. So what it does is it simply returns the dictionary in the form of a tuple. Alright, so quickly what I'll do is I will just first of all execute this sales, and here I will simply say sales.items. Alright, sales.items, and this, now you can see that this is a type of dictionary underscore items, and within that each key value is now present as part of a tuple, right, within the parenthesis. And this is helpful when you are doing the any sort of iterative process on the dictionary, as it helps to identify each of the key and value. And I will show you in future videos about how you can iterate over the dictionary, and then there you will observe that we will going to use the items method. So very quickly, I just wanted to make you aware about this function items and its output, and where it will be used when it gives you this tuple list out tuple for each of the key values.